Hello everyone, today is the day. Today I endeavor the dreaded yearly Freedom Stick cleaning. This won't be a very long video. I'll do a couple, show you basically what I do once a year, whether I shoot them or not. And Jim B, if you watch this, don't do what I do, buddy. Just go with the flow, man. Do your thing, but this is how I do it. But yeah, I pull these things out once a year, and I've got an extensive collection of these things, Freedom Sticks, and you have to excuse the noise. There's a lot of traffic coming by. I don't do it in the house because the cats likes to, well, they love to help. Let's just put it that way. I know I don't sound too energetic. I'm very tired. I've worked 4.5 solid weeks in my yard, doing hedges, pruning trees, washing driveways, walkways. Man, I'm just give out, but I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the time spent out in the yard and getting everything built back up. But hey, let's just cut the chase, get to the meat of the bones, and I'll show you the first victim up, if you want to say that. Today, I'll be working on a CZ 457 MTR. The MTR is max target rifle. This is what a lot of people use in our L22 league. And like I said, once again, guys, I apologize for the traffic, but I'd rather put up with the traffic noise than deal with the cats. They love to help, and time it's over with, they've rubbed on it. They've got cat hair all over them, and that's just the way it is. So, but anyway, carrying back, it has got a Covenant 5. It's a Cabela's branded scope. I don't know who makes it, but it's a 5x25 first focal plane. This is a very accurate rifle. I've had it for several years. I think I bought this maybe the first or second year production run of them. You can see it's got a very heavy stock on it. Of course, there's the Freedom seat holders. You know, I'm not going to be operating anything on camera because how YouTube is. They'll dick you, but just to put it short and mild, what I do is I inspect it. I inspect the barrel, make sure there's no rust pitting or anything taking place. And then I'll overlook the stock, and you know, the lens on the scope is it's clean. It's kept in a waterproof type gun case that floats, and it's breathable, and it's a hard case. It's got wheels and handle, and but anyway, once these are put back into place, then they're put in a safe. It's a walk-in safe. I don't really want to go in there and show people what I've got, but yeah, you know, it'd be hard for somebody to just come in and take the things without using some kind of force entry. I mean, extensive force, but that's what we got here. So let's kind of look at it. I've looked over the stock. I found a couple of issues with it, and the barrel and everything, it looks fine. So what I really do is I'll take a micro fiber cloth and I'll wipe everything down. If I see any scarring on the stock, anything start light patterning or anything like that, I've got a fix for it. But yeah, I mean, you know, you get these things out and you spend, you know, a day, 2 days, and you know, some of the stuff you don't even touch. You just wipe it down, put it back into the foam case. The foam's got a light saturation of oil in the foam already. It's a rust presenting on its own. Plus, I got some silica packs that I throw in there. You know, keep the moisture out in case. But anyway, well, I'll flip this turkey around. It don't weigh much, about 10 pounds. Let's flip it around and let you see the other side. You can see that the scope's got the big turret knobs on it for target. Big heavy bull barrel. And you know, it's a nice shooting gun. It's not my favorite. And I'll see if I can pick it up here, but you can see right there on the side it says CZ457 Max Target Rifle. Right there on the thing. It's kind of laser etched in. But yeah, take the old microfiber and wipe her down a little bit. You don't want to use too much oil, you know, kind of look everything over, and you see any issues, address them then put it back for storage and rinse and repeat once a year. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to thin my collection down. I'm getting older. I can't enjoy these like I used to. You know, very accurate rifle. I love it. You know, no problem with with good ammo. You know, you're getting 1/4-inch groups at 50 yards. You know, that's respectable. And you know, and it does what it says it does. But give me just a second, and I will show you the issue with the stock and my fix for it, and also kind of protect it, and it kind of restores the stock. So just give me a second, and I'll be right back.